Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered just how many sperm cells the human body can produce in a single day? Let me tell you, the numbers are absolutely mind-blowing. Whether you come equipped with a sperm manufacturing plant or not, this is one incredible biological factory that's worth learning about. Trust me, this is a wild journey through the hidden world of our reproductive system. So, grab your curiosity and your sense of humor, because today we're diving deep into the amazing science of spermatogenesis. Let's get started. The factory inside the testes. Alright, so we all know that sperm is produced in the testes, but let's zoom in and figure out exactly where the magic happens. Inside the testes, there are these tiny string-like structures called seminiferous tubules, and guess what? There are up to 900 of these tubules in each testis. That's a lot of real estate dedicated to sperm production. Think of these tubules as little hoses with walls packed full of hardworking stem cells called spermatogenea. These tiny powerhouses are responsible for the jaw-dropping process known as spermatogenesis. It's like having a 24/7 factory working on one mission, making sperm cells. Breaking down the numbers. Now let's talk numbers. Get ready to have your mind blown because these seminiferous tubules produce up to 300 million sperm cells every single day. Yup, you heard that right, 300 million. Let's break that down. That's about 12.5 million sperm cells per hour, 208,000 per minute, and a staggering 3,500 every single second. Just think about it. 3,500 sperm cells were made while you blinked. Incredible, right? But wait, there's more. These sperm cells don't just appear ready to swim. Oh no, they need to go through an extensive maturation process before they're up for the task. The 80-day journey of a sperm cell. Let's dive into the life cycle of a sperm cell. It takes a whopping 65 to 75 days for a sperm cell to develop fully inside the walls of those seminiferous tubules. But even after all that, they're not quite ready to swim. Once developed, sperm cells enter the hollow part of the tubules, called the lumen. From there, they begin their journey to the epididymis, which I like to call the Sperm Swim Academy. The epididymis is a single, super long tube, over 20 feet in length. It's here that sperm cells spend about 14 days learning to swim and becoming fully mature. So, if we put all of this together, it takes over 80 days for a sperm cell to be ready for action. But don't worry, your body is constantly working like a conveyor belt, ensuring that about 300 million new sperm cells are prepared every single day. The release and the great race. Now let's talk about what happens when sperm cells are called into action. During a single release, the average male can produce between 2.5 to 5 milliliters of seminal fluid. Within each milliliter, there can be anywhere from 50 to 150 million sperm cells. That means, in total, you could release an army of up to 750 million sperm cells. But here's the thing, the journey ahead is not easy. The female reproductive tract is like an obstacle course, filled with challenges that most sperm cells won't survive. Out of those hundreds of millions, only a few dozen make it to the egg, and just one emerges victorious. And guess what? You were that one. You were the sperm cell that won that very first race of your life. How's that for a motivational thought? Why this matters. So, why does all of this matter? Understanding how our bodies work is a crucial part of appreciating just how amazing life truly is. Whether you have testes or ovaries, the complexity and efficiency of human reproduction is fascinating, and let's be honest, pretty cool too. Learning about processes like spermatogenesis isn't just interesting, it's also empowering. It reminds us of the incredible machinery running inside our bodies every single day. And who doesn't love a good dose of science mixed with a little humor? Thanks for joining me on this wild ride through the science of sperm production. I hope you learned something new, had a laugh, and gained a little more appreciation for the incredible biology happening inside us every day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more fun and educational content. And, of course, I'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Got a question or a favorite fact from this video? Drop it there, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and remember, every single one of us started as a winner. See you in the next video.